गुंचा स्टेटस के एहतमाम सिकंदराबाद के आरआरसी ग्राउंड पर खेले गए हॉकी टूर्नामेंट के क्वार्टर फाइनल मैच में इंडियन ऑयल ने इंडियन रेलवे को 3-5 से शिकस्त दी। जी टीम ने 2-6 से कामयाबी हासिल की। सेमीफाइनल मैच कल खेला जाएगा। मुंतजिमीन का कहना है कि दोनों टीमों के दरमियान खेले गए दोनों मैच सनसनीखेज अंदाज में हुए। गंचा स्टेटस के जिम्मेदारान ने बताया कि हॉकी टूर्नामेंट का इनेकाद 22 मसरत है। उन्होंने बताया कि 57वां जवाहरलाल नेहरू हॉकी टूर्नामेंट 14 टीमों ने हिस्सा लिया।
पहले साथ शुरू करें।
57th Guncha's Nehru Senior Hockey Tournament is being in progress. We have reached the semi-final stage. It's a wonderful tournament. Top 14 teams participating, and today is the last quarter-final league match, and tomorrow there will be semi-final. The semi-final lineup is very strong. It's Indian Railway, Indian Navy, Punjab National Bank, and Indian Oil. I'm really grateful to my friend Mr. Yash Bhavani, who has came forward wholeheartedly to title sponsor the Guncha 57th Nehru Senior Hockey Tournament. My gratitude and my privilege that he has come forward to sponsor, and we had a wonderful tournament at South Central Railway Complex, Sikandrabad.
Yes. So this tournament, actually, it is a true honor to be able to not just be the title, but the sole sponsor, the Guncha Group. I speak on behalf of my company. This tournament is being organized and hosted for the first time outside New Delhi in Hyderabad after 56 years, in tribute of its founding father, Sri Inder Mohan Kapoor ji. We are not just sponsoring the tournament outside New Delhi. We have also launched the Inder Mohan Kapoor Nehru Senior Winners and Runners-Up Cups, which lie right behind us, in front of my grandfather's picture. This tournament is in tribute of him, and we declared the tournament on the 19th of August, which marked 1 year of him leading us. I'm very thankful to not just Walia Sahab, but the entire Jawaharlal Nehru Hockey Tournament Society for joining hands in tribute of our founding father.
नाज़रीन, हमारे टीटीवी न्यूज़ को सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करिए, शेयर करिए और लाइक करना ना भूलें। और किसी एडवर्टाइजमेंट से मुताल्लिक़ जानकारी के लिए हमारे इस नंबर पर कांटेक्ट कीजिए। हमारा नंबर है 9550102020।